Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
Copper-Fit has done a wonderful job with this neck wrap or face mask. It is very comfortable while you're working all day. It has been great for light dust environments. If I'm working outside or working outside on the yard, it also has UV protection, so that's really nice and it protects my neck. I feel that it's very comfortable when it's on my ears. And I'm also able to wear things on my head without worrying about it falling off. Because it's cloth, it's easy to throw in the wash and reuse over and over again. It goes on really comfortably, and I'm able to wear things on my head like a hat without anything falling off. It's not too tight and very breathable. And I really love the material. It's soft and doesn't irritate my skin. This is really convenient if you need something lightweight to protect your face. I would definitely recommend this neck wrap from Copper-Fit.
And that's my point of view.